Let's get some. $600 fee for little piece. Akira, this is crazy. So I need to go to the market. Cannot buy vegetables in the supermarket at all. I don't know what they're selling. So look at the prices of that that's one is for $7,000. This one $13,000. $4,000. Nowhere near $6,000. Oh, these are the smaller ones. $3,000 for this. The price for the oxtail at $3,000. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces of oxtail for $3,000. This is crazy. 6 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hmm? That one here now $4,000. Okay, brother. Go find one meat shop because. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So just got out of the supermarket and everything in there is just, I don't know what's going on with oxtail. I need to find a meat shop where I can go and buy my meat because well, Price Mart isn't too bad to purchase. It's just that you're gonna get it in bulk. So as you guys can see, oxtail, 6 pieces of oxtail, $4,000. So I'm just looking around on prices so I can know what I'm going to need, well, where I'm going to buy my stuff for Christmas, in terms of meat, right? So of course my first option is Price Mart, but I was just looking around to see, if I don't want too much of whatever, I can go ahead and just pick up some there. But I really need to go and find a meat shop. Yeah, so in my vlogs, I'm just gonna let you guys know, or throughout the vlogs, or sometimes you guys are going to see videos where I give you guys pointers and stuff like maybe how you can make money online, how you can do this online, things that I learned. So I get to understand that persons may not know certain things, and I like to share, I like to give information. I like to let person know what's going on. So from time to time you will see me upload videos like how to do that and how to make that, and and also make sure you watch the end of each videos because I'll be definitely showing you guys how you can make money online, some stuff that you can do that persons are just not aware of. So I'm going to be sharing those information to you guys throughout any vlogs that I do, whether it's a food review, those are regular vlogs. I'm gonna definitely be sharing those tips with you guys, stuff that I do for myself. So you guys can comment down below and let me know if you're interested in that. I can also teach you guys about YouTube. Just to name some of the things that I'll be talking about. I'll be talking about how you can make money online. Well, that's a broad topic, but stuff like how you can make money by doing just affiliate marketing, advertising other personal products, and get commission from it, where you don't necessarily have to be worrying about any stocks, any inventories, any overhead costs, nothing, any customer service, nothing like that. Digital products, so you can sell digital products and stuff like that. So you can definitely subscribe to the channel, turn on the post notifications so you don't miss an upload whenever I drop something like that. So I'm going to head home right now and get the ball rolling for dinner. And yeah. So guys, I'm going to do a box opening today. Some packing. I'm so excited. So this is the next day shopping doing, and some stuff came in. So we're doing a box opening. We're also excited whenever them package come in. This is so therapeutic to me. Alright guys, so as I was showing you in the clip, I got some package and I'm just gonna open it with you guys and show you guys what I got. So with these, so in this package, what I'm gonna do for persons who are interested of whatever is in the package, just a little clear package, something that I order. I have some other stuff coming in and I just, you know, want to share it with you guys. But if you're interested in anything that I'm going to show you, I'm just gonna link them in the description so you guys can, you know, purchase. So I got a humidifier. So I got one of these. Yeah, I just want to try it out. If I try it out in this video, I will show you guys, but I'm going to show you guys the actual product. Simple. I got a small one. This is for the car. I mean, just use this one in the car. Yeah, and it comes with the USB card, of course. And another package that I got, guys, I cannot use laptop mouse pad. I have to get. I got a mouse. Yeah, I cannot work unless I have a mouse on. I cannot use the laptop mouse pad. I have to get a mouse. So I got a mouse. And another thing, I got one of these stuff. One more of these for the living room. I think I need to order another one. It's not as stuffy as this, but I'm gonna order another one. Guys, the link will be in the description if you want to purchase any of these products, okay? And I got some of these. I think these really cute. I got some other ones coming in just for the Christmas theme. There are some pillow covers for like the one that you have in the couch and stuff. As you can see, it says 4 comes in the package. Another one, and another one. This one says bless our home. This one says stay a while. Alright, so I also got one of these. It's pretty much, it's like a hallway curtain drape thing that you put in the hallway, or it hang like a curtain thing. Do you know? Yeah, one of those stuff. Don't remember the name of it, but it's like a curtain that you put in the walkway or anything, or anywhere you don't want to have a curtain, but you just want to have one of these. I got one. I think it was cute and it's gonna match the theme of the living room, so I just decided to get it. It's like a cloth vibe. I know most of you guys may know the ones that has like, you know, plastic metal. This one is like cloth. Those one normally, like whenever you're passing it hit you really hard or whatever. These ones are just really, as I said, I have more package coming. These are just the one that's here. And the last one that's in this package, I will definitely do another if you guys want to see another one. This is a mat. This is a white fluffy mat. Now I may not pull this out because I am not ready to put this down as yet. Maybe the next week or so whenever I get everything in. This will go in my room. So this is a white fluffy mat. I will try to put on the screen here the size of it. I don't remember the size, but this is a white fluffy mat you can hold between your. I have a king size bed. It can cover the front of my bed. I'll definitely put the size on the screen. I don't remember right now. So yeah, so that's pretty much it for the unboxing. Those are just some good stuff that I got. As I mentioned before, if you want anything that I mentioned in this video, the link will be in the description. Make sure you guys liking the video, subscribing to the channel. Trying to do a lot of more stuff in terms of vlogging. I'm trying to get used to it. Yeah, so that's pretty much the haul. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you're notified every time I upload a video. All right.